Impressive, high-performance advanced mining machines which are used for the extraction and transport of large quantities of minerals in underground mines around the world. These are the 10 most amazing underground mining machines in the world. Number 10. Komatsu 22HD. It is a high-productivity front loader that has been manufactured in the United States. Its low profile allows it to easily move inside tight underground mines. It is used to remove the material from the mines and transport it in large quantities to the outside. It measures 11.7 meters long by 2.8 meters wide and weighs 58 tons. It has a hybrid propulsion system with a total of 550 horsepower and can reach a speed of 27 kilometers per hour. It has a discharge height of 3 meters and its bucket has a capacity of 9 cubic meters or 27 tons. Number 9. CAT AD63. It is a high-capacity underground articulated truck that has been manufactured in the United States. It is used to transport large quantities of material from inside or outside the mines to storage locations. It is designed to provide maximum productivity at the lowest operating cost. It measures 12.4 meters long by 3.3 meters wide and weighs 52 tons. It has an engine with 789 horsepower and can reach a speed of 41 kilometers per hour. It has a reinforced structure with rigid beams to resist torsional forces, and its hopper has a capacity of 38 cubic meters or 63 tons. Number 8. Komatsu 14CM27. It is a high-performance continuous miner that has been made in the United States. It moves on a crawler train and is made up of a cutter head and a conveyor belt. It is built with highly wear-resistant materials, and the cutting head has a system that sprays water while cutting the rock. This system acts as a cooler, reducing the potential for frictional ignition and increasing the life of the bits. It has 930 horsepower, weighs 72 tons, and has a cutting width of 3.4 meters. There are different models of this machine that are used for different types of work. Number 7. Komatsu 21SC04. It is a high-productivity shuttle car that has been manufactured in the United States. It is used inside underground mines with low working height to transport materials to the outside. It has four-wheel drive, can travel diagonally, and is designed to resist abrasion. It measures 8.3 meters long by 3.2 meters wide and weighs 18 tons. It is equipped with infrared cameras and monitors that provide an excellent view to the operator. It has two engines with 134 horsepower in total and can carry a load of 9 tons. Number 6. Elphinstone WR810. It is a water transport and pumping vehicle that has been manufactured in Australia. It is used to wash walls with valuable minerals and remove layers of excess material. It works by pumping high-pressure water in a safe and controlled manner over specific areas. It measures 9.4 meters in length and weighs 28 tons. It has an engine with 225 horsepower and can reach a speed of 20 meters. It can store 8,000 liters of water and has a camera system and remote control system. It has an extensible mast with a hose that measures 8 meters in length and can expel 2,700 liters per minute. Number 5. Wetcret 4. It is a vehicle with a concrete projection system that has been manufactured in Germany. It is used to stabilize mining excavations and is ideal for working in underground galleries. It has a telescopic arm to project the concrete, which has a range of 8.5 meters. It has a capacity to store 250 liters of concrete and can eject 20 cubic meters of concrete per hour. It is equipped with a remote control system and an automatic additive dosing system. It measures 6.7 meters long by 1.9 meters wide and weighs 13 tons. It has an engine with 142 horsepower and can reach a maximum speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Sandvik DL422IE. It is an advanced drilling vehicle that has been manufactured in Sweden. It is used to perform drilling, blasting holes in underground mines, which have surfaces greater than 4 by 4 meters. It can work without personnel or by remote control and has intelligent technologies with automatic systems that allow it to operate continuously. It measures 11.4 meters long by 2.4 meters wide and weighs 22 tons. It can drill holes up to 1.7 meters long and 12.7 centimeters wide. It works powered by an electric motor with 160 kilowatts of power that achieves a safer and healthier work environment. Number 3. Sandvik DS411. It is a rock drilling and reinforcement vehicle that has been manufactured in Sweden. It is used to secure rock inside underground mines by installing metal bolts and meshes. It can install bolts up to 3 meters in length and secure surfaces greater than 5.5 meters. It works powered by an electric motor and has anti-crushing safety systems to protect the operator. It measures 12 meters long by 3.9 meters wide and weighs 23 tons. It has an engine with 110 kilowatts of power and can reach a speed of 16 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Fammer R150. It is a highly productive and reliable road header that has been manufactured in Poland. It is used in underground excavations to cut different types of rocks. It has an automatic system to collect the material and move it to a conveyor belt. The parts of the machine that are exposed to wear are covered with materials with high resistance to abrasion. It measures 8.3 meters long by 2.4 meters wide and weighs 37 tons. It has an engine with 266 horsepower. It can cut up to a height of 4.6 meters and a width of 5.6 meters. Number 1. Fammer FS300. It is a longwall mining machine that has been manufactured in Poland. It is used to extract large quantities of coal from long mines. It is designed to be highly productive, efficient, and reliable. It works by making multiple passes with a cutter drum and sending the coal to a hauling system made up of a conveyor belt that moves the material outwards. It features advanced control systems that make it easy to operate and maintain. It has a motor with 835 horsepower and can cut walls up to 3.5 meters high. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment saying what other types of machines you would like to see a new video about. If you like this channel, subscribe and turn on all notifications so you don't miss the next video.